What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. Welcome to part 3 of the year in review rebuild on my Pontiac Fiero Ferrari KitCar. I'm doing this content for you guys because it's minus 20 outside, snowing like crazy, so hopefully in the next week I can get back to wrenching on the car. But for now, let's dive into the year in review and see what I've done to the car up to this date. So stay tuned, check it out. So this is the front lip I'm going to be repairing today. As you can see, there's a scoop that goes right here. There's a crack here too. And we'll have to reinforce the back of that and fix that as well. So this is all held in place. It's actually dry already, but I'm gonna leave the tape on overnight. We got this piece, that lower piece where the scoop goes, and then we fix this crack here. Just got it all glued back together, and I can fiberglass and body fill it all tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's day 2 of working on the Pontiac Fiero KitCar rear diffuser. Let's keep going, finish mocking up the template so we can weld it up and be done with it. Alright guys, so we just pulled the car out of the carport. It's like 35 degrees out. It's so friggin' warm. But let's at least lay down the primer on the bodywork areas that I did during the week. So as you guys can see, the big crack that was on the back bumper has now been fixed as well. So front bumper, rear bumper are all fixed, side skirts are fixed. Now I just got to fix that far quarter panel crack and we'll be in good shape. So the car is pretty much ready for paint, guys. I got the front bumper all complete, all the bodywork, the side skirts are all complete. I had a major crack over here, I had some gap issues here. So this was a lot of bodywork done in this section here. The filler neck on the fuel tank's done. Let's see if I can pop this open. Pop. So all in here, all the cracks have been fixed. This is all done. This is where I had a huge crack down here. This is all nice and smooth, all primered up, looking good. So I'm going to be removing these aftermarket rims. They're actually 265s on here that are super stretched out. So let's go ahead, jack the car up, pop all these wheels and tires off, and mount these guys. What's up, guys? It's day 2. I'm getting ready to spray the face of the rims gold. So I'm gonna degrease the face, get all that wax off. I'm gonna mask off the rims, and we're gonna lay down some paint. So let's get after it. Alright guys, it's time to lay down some paint. This is VHT Engine Metallic. It's gold flake, if anybody's wondering about the color. But yeah, should look pretty nice. Alright guys, so I got about 4 coats on all tires. They're looking super good. I'm gonna let them tack up for probably another 15 minutes and then I'll hit them with one last coat and we can unwrap all the paper and see how they look against the chrome. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.